Hello, in this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you different DIYs that you're not only going to use them for yourself, but you're going to be able to sell them. My goal is to turn your hobbies into a business. Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Norma Acosta with Mommy's DIYs, and today I'm going to share with you a recipe I have to detox your armpits. And who better to know if your armpits need detox is you. If you are switching from an regular deodorant to an organic, sometimes the organic protects a little less. Not that it protects a little less, but it just have these different ingredients than the regular antiperspirant deodorant. And the antiperspirant deodorants, they tend to clog your pores. So when you're switching over to an organic product, you need to detox your armpits. This recipe, you need to use it for the first times. You need to use it maybe 2 to 3 times a week. And as you see your body responding to it, you probably need to do it once a week. And then you can go as far as to use it once a month. So this I have a video for an organic deodorant, and I'm going to put the link up above. And I also have another video to see the difference between a deodorant from an organic store, and I use Lassen's, I use Tom's deodorant, against the one that you make at home. And I did the two things, which one is better in quality and which one costs less. And the one that you make at home absolutely costs less. One thing that happened, because I lost the receipt to return the Tom's deodorant, is that I decided to use it, and by the second day of me using it, it burned my armpits really bad. Fortunately, I didn't take a picture of that, but that's what happened. Of course, everybody is different. It may react to you different than it reacted to me, but here are my ingredients, and I'm going to be telling you how much of each ingredient as we move along. Also, make sure that you watch the video all through it, because as soon as I start picking the ingredients that I'm going to be using, I'm going to go ahead and on the screen, I'm going to put the properties of each ingredient. So we're going to go ahead and start with the it's activated coconut charcoal power. Let me put it where you can see it. And I'm also going to put a link of all the ingredients down below, so that you can just click on the link and go buy it if you wish to. So we're going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of the charcoal. So here it is, 1 tablespoon. And then we're going to use the green clay, which is this one right here. And again, the links are going to be in the description box. For these, you're going to need 1 tablespoon. We're going to need tea tree oil. And this tea tree oil, I have it available on my website, and I'm going to put the name of my website here and also in the description box if you're interested. This is an organic tea tree oil, and you're going to need 3 drops. Only 3 drops. Make sure you don't put too much, because if you put too much of the tea tree oil, it tends to burn also. So you need to be careful with it. Only 3 drops. And you're also going to need 3 drops of the lemon scented oil. And I got this through Melaleuca. I have a membership with Melaleuca, so I get these from them. If you are interested in learning more about the membership with them, they have over 130 products that are organic and very good company. But you can only buy through them if you have a membership. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add the CBD oil, and we're going to need 5 drops of CBD oil. This is a 15 milliliter bottle, and it's 1,000 milligrams. I have this available also on my website. If you're interested in getting it at wholesale price, You can either send me a message through Facebook, instant message at Mommy's Designs CA for California, and I can answer any questions you may have. Also, in the video that I did for the bath bombs, I give a better explanation on what this oil is good for and what it does. So we're going to go ahead and add 5 drops. Now we're going to go ahead and put vitamin E, and we're going to go ahead and use 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add that. And you can find this in a liquid form, but you can also, like, if you can't find the liquid form, you can use use capsules as well, and you will be using 2 to 3 capsules. Now we're going to be using the witch hazel, and here's the properties of the witch hazel. So we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons, and you're going to mix it very well. And here's a picture of my before and after. You're able to see it, but not as much because I never had dark armpits. I'm trying to get my daughter to use it because of the deodorant that she used to use and the shaving. Her armpits got black, but we haven't been able to connect. But here, this is how it looks. And you're gonna apply it on your skin and leave it until it dries. So this mixture, you can also use it for in between your legs. You can use it for your neck. And everywhere that you have dark skin, you can use it. But for now, you guys, this is how it looks. Here are I already put the pictures on the before and after. That's all for me, you guys. May the Lord bless you today and every day. Stay safe and see you next time.